I like to use the actors that I have in the room, so I like to see how they move and give them prompts and narrative prompts to ask what they want to do with the movement, how they move, and then I build that into material. I think it's really important because in a show like this, it's about community, so it's about working together, and that feeds right into the movement. Emotional, stylized, heightened. Always room for jazz hands, yes. I really like a cat-cow, trainers. Does that make sense? Joyful. Coffee, always. Depends what I'm doing. Sometimes I count in 8, sometimes I use the lyrics, sometimes I sing out the beats and the music. Depends on where we are. I think about choreography in terms of if you can move, you can dance. And dance is on a huge spectrum of small movement that's narratively driven through to big dance steps. And for me, the narrative-driven storytelling movement is my favourite. So it actually feels like this musical sits exactly where I like to make movement. For me, I think sometimes people compartmentalise choreography into being a dance piece that's within the musical, and actually movement and choreography can support the storytelling and further the story rather than being a standalone section of the piece.